Hi, my name is Toni Huettl. I have been in the district for 34 years. I love what I do. I love being with the kids. I've been in all the schools in the district. I've worked AC. I started at Adventure Connection, and now I'm here at Justice Ellen Page. I work during the school day, and I'm inclusion para, and I love what I do. I'm with kindergarten and first grade right now, and I have to say that's my favorite age group. You see them grow so much, especially with kindergarten. You know, kindergarten, they start, and when they come in, they don't know how to stand in a line or how to, sit for a long period of time, and just seeing how much they grow and learn. By the end of kindergarten, they're reading, and just, it's so, when they start, they don't even know their ABCs. So that's the big thing with kindergarten. I'm invited to a student's wedding that's happening in a couple weeks. So, it's just seeing the change and how they grow. Building family, friends and family through, all the years that I've known people. People say when I go anywhere, I always know somebody, and that's just being in the district and being part of that community. It's where I grew up too, so that makes a difference. In the summertime, work the summertime program for Adventure Connection, which is also one of my favorite things because you get to do so many fun things. That's the time you're playing with the kids, and we go on a field trip once a week, and you go swimming, and it's just, I'm getting paid to do what I love so much because I enjoy being with those kids and the fun that we have. When I found out I won the award, I was extremely shocked. Coworker Amanda came in and did a morning meeting, and I realized that something was happening. What's happening? And then she read the letter, and then she showed me what Kurt had written. It was emotional. I cried. It was just such a wonderful feeling to be appreciated like that.
I was just so excited and happy and proud to be able to let her know that she was receiving the Heart of the Community Award. She really does embody the heart of the community. Everywhere we go, she knows somebody, and I'm just so happy for my friend.
The first summer I worked with her, I wasn't even at her site, but just watching her with the kids. My son actually went to her site, and she was amazing. She's amazing with all the kids.
Toni Huettl is just an all-star of Adventure Connection staff. She has so many years of experience, and she brings that experience every day to making just a tremendous difference in the lives of the kids. It is an absolute honor to have her on our staff, and she is a tremendous example for all of the other staff to learn from in the work that they do with kids.
The kind words that were written and said amazes me. I could cry all over again.
I nominated Toni for the Heart of the Community Award because she embodies everything that Adventure Connection is supposed to be about. She is a deeply caring staff person who works her hardest to have a positive impact on the life of the kids in the program, and does a tremendous job, especially with some of our more difficult students, helping them be successful in our program and preparing them for life as a whole.